WriteFix is a deterministic editing workflow built with Next.js 16 and TypeScript, designed for predictable, schema-enforced text improvement. It enforces structured rewrites that improve clarity and tone while preserving source meaning and technical intent.
This is not a chatbot interface. It is a governed editing system with enforced structure and predictable output contracts. Here is the editing workflow. Source text is pasted into the editor. A tone preset is selected. Formal, plain English. Technical, friendly. When submitted, the request is validated.
A rule-based prompt is assembled from defined editing constraints and tone configuration.
The model must return structured JSON matching a strict schema contract. If the response fails validation, it is rejected safely. Only schema-compliant output is returned to the interface. The revised text appears alongside the original. Metrics are calculated deterministically from both source and revision. Word count, sentence count, average sentence length, flesh readability score. The system improves wording and structure. It does not invent content. It does not generate from scratch. It preserves intent and technical meaning.
Now looking at the product structure.
Core generation logic is separated from the API root. The generation layer lives in generator core. The API root handles request validation and response formatting. Tone behavior is configuration driven. Branding is fully configuration driven and not embedded in core logic. There are no hard-coded brand strings inside the generation layer. This keeps the system maintainable and resale ready. WriteFix includes a focused jest test suite. Prompt construction is tested. Tone enforcement is tested. Schema validation is tested. Input constraints are enforced. Core behavior is protected. Running the test suite shows clean pass results. The product builds cleanly with no warnings. It runs locally in minutes using your own OpenAI API key. There is no authentication layer, no billing system, no persistence.
This is a focused editing workflow baseline designed for integration into larger systems.
The generation layer is isolated and can be extended with additional tone profiles or validation rules without modifying the API boundary. Architected for developers building internal tools or agencies standardizing review processes. WriteFix provides controlled AI editing behavior with deterministic structure and enforceable output contracts.
WriteFix, production ready, built by 12 Volts Co. Available now.